Good morning. It is my Friday, but it's actually Wednesday. I'm just leaving work. I got this. My husband got a big cast iron pan that is good to make paellas and a lot of delicious things. But it's too heavy and I need something to hold. So I think this will work. And I also need to go to Fred's to get some things that I'm missing. Then home. Having like a little headache. But this fresh air is actually helping. If you see, it's very cloudy and fresh. So it's good. Okay, let's go to the groceries. We have the Halloween and fall stuff. This is cute. This is so cute. Blankets, decor. Oh, this box. I have like this in orange. And for cookies. The glasses, oh my gosh. That's so cute. For carving. Oh, socks and blouses, shirts. I need to unwind. That's cute. Oh, so cute. Oh, these are for kids. These are sweaters. Those are cute. Candies. Oh, they haven't finished. Oh, this for when they're walking. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, this bag of toys. How much? $6.99, and it has 100. Oh no, $6.99, 100. That can be an option. And this one is 17, and it has a 322. That's too much. I think I will go for the 100 one. But this has 30 pieces. Look at this. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, it's plastic. And these are mugs. This one is cute too. Here they have the candies. Oh, the lights and candies. Okay, I really want to see the little treats. School glasses. These games are under $10. This is Patrona Horseman, and this one the ESPN. Let's see. It can be nice to spend the night waiting for the kids. Let's see. Okay, I got maybe what I was not needing. I don't know even if I will have this cake, but it's kind of cute and only $10. So we will see. Ooh, look at these Legos. I never seen Legos here. What is this one? Lucy. So cute. What else they have? Marble, racing, Jurassic Park. Oh, so cute. They really increased the amount of things that they have now. Oh, look at the decoration and stuff. They are, oh, where is the oils? Oils. Here. Let's find Orange, sweet orange. Essential oils. This is the citrus. Sweet orange. Yeah, it's the same one. So I think I'm going for this one. How much? $5.99. It's amazing that now all the Tide has to be locked out. So I don't want to be calling for these. At Home Depot we have the box, and so I will just buy the Tide there. And I'm leaving the game. I need to buy more other stuff, and I don't wanna go over my. I always make my budget, and I don't wanna go over that. So I only need now buttermilk, and I'm done. I was able to get everything, well, practically everything that I need, minus the Tide. Tide will have to be at Home Depot, and I can do it. I smell like I'm really short right now, so we'll survive. I know that my husband went to Costco, so he didn't want to go crazy on any like fruits or veggies. Knowing him, he goes for 3 things and finish buying a lot. So we will see what he gets, but I got things that I needed. Will be more than enough. Okay, they just arrived, and I will share what I got here. First, I have my bottle of water here, so I don't have to carry so much stuff. I got 2 of these. Is too much on my way. 2 of these. It says it has 30 toys. So it will be great. The last time I did like 60 something a gift, so I think this will be good. I got buttermilk. My husband asked me for these. I got these cookies. I know I'm on a diet, but from time to time I want to have something sweet, and I thought that would be good. I got my essential oil, focus, so I can use on my diffuser. Hook to hang our new pot. More of the black tea that I drink at work a lot, and of course feminine napkins that I need on this transition. And let me throw away all the receipt papers, list. I also need to do a little of cleaning before my husband arrived from Costco, so this is no mess. Last night I didn't feel like cleaning, so let's do it. I think my camera is like tilt. My husband always figure out how to make a mess of everything, so I need to take care of these. It was so nice outside and now it's so shiny. It's so hot actually. I need to do my laundry. I mean, I want to begin early, like I did the last week, because I was able to have everything done on time. Like, I think I need to change my laundry day, the beginning, to this day. So let me put this and I'll be back. Before I do this, I need to clean. I don't know why it got so dirty. Look at this. It's the powder from the laundry. Yeah, I better clean this before I begin. It's not looking so good. More there, look at that. And now it's looking a little more clean. It's not perfect, but it's an old laundry machine, so it will be. So I have, this is my softener. This is my laundry detergent. I have 2 new items there, so I will use 2 of these so they don't lose color. But before I put my, and this is delicate, so as soon as it's ready I put my laundry, because it's liquid and I don't want it just falling there. While I wait that, I need to put that in the garbage. Let's see how is my tomatoes. I think they are looking good. I have many of them to remove. Need to water. Look at this pepper. Yeah, I have a lot and I need to water all these. I think the carrot is getting big. Yep, it's getting big. Still have lettuce. Oh, these tomatoes are so delicious. Oh, look, my plant is with flowers. So cute. I was with a big headache, but it's going away, so I decided to watch a movie while my videos are uploading, because I really need to relax a little. It's my Friday, so let's do it. And this is The Fifth Wave on Netflix.